Me too. This is my shit. Put it on the ground. My
The woman suddenly loses control, and her behavior becomes more unpredictable with every passing second. What happens next is something no one sees coming, and it's about to turn a routine situation into chaos, dragging officers into a high-stakes chase. On the afternoon of August 3rd in Ravenna, Michigan, state troopers respond to what appears to be a standard domestic disturbance involving a distressed woman. But as officers arrive on the scene, it quickly becomes clear that this call is anything but ordinary. The woman is soon identified as Courtney Maury. From the very beginning, something feels off about her behavior. Officers grow suspicious, sensing that the situation may be more serious than it first appeared. To better understand what's happening, they begin speaking with those who reported the incident. It doesn't take long for officers to realize that Courtney is at the center of the disturbance. As they attempt to take her into custody, her actions become increasingly aggressive, setting the stage for a tense and dangerous encounter. The situation is already escalating, but suddenly it takes a shocking turn. Courtney becomes more volatile, appearing determined to force a confrontation, one that no one involved is prepared for. What officers thought would be a routine arrest quickly turns into a struggle. In the middle of the chaos, Courtney bites one of the officers, leaving a visible injury and pushing the situation to a much more serious level. After a difficult struggle, officers finally manage to restrain and handcuff her. She is placed inside the patrol car, and for a brief moment, it feels like the situation is under control. But that sense of relief doesn't last long. In a split second of distraction, everything changes. Taking advantage of the moment, Courtney manages to escape, triggering an intense and unexpected pursuit. Dashcam footage captures the shocking moment as she drives off in the patrol vehicle, seemingly unfazed. But her escape is short-lived, as the situation quickly spirals into something even more dangerous. With this bold move, Courtney adds yet another serious offense to her growing list of charges. Within hours, officers track her down and take her into custody once again. Even after being caught a second time, Courtney continues to resist. She refuses to go quietly, creating further challenges for the officers trying to regain full control of the situation. Eventually, officers succeed in securing her inside the patrol car, this time ensuring there are no chances of another escape. Even for experienced law enforcement, this incident proves to be anything but routine. Courtney Maury later pleads guilty to multiple charges, including assaulting an officer, fleeing from police, and unlawfully taking a vehicle. On February 5th, 2025, she is sentenced to 1 year in jail, with credit for time already served, along with probation and financial penalties.